finessing. Straight up, I can't go one day without finessing. Finessing. I can't help bro, I admit it, we straight off finessing. Straight up, finessing. I can't go one day without finessing.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy, J Diggy 92. Welcome back to another episode, Finesse Kicks. Today we had an unboxing from, I don't even want to say where it's from, because I done talked so much shit. We got an unboxing from Go. So we got an unboxing from, but shit, they know it was in the damn title. Got an unboxing from fucking StockX. Yes, the place I often talk shit about. They said I would never fuck with. We unboxing some shit from them niggas. So, apparently they're way cheaper than Go. Oh yeah, I ain't even introduced. Y'all so used to it. Nigga, who you?
I'm tired today.
She's sleepy. She's paranoid all night. But yeah, I'm gonna make this shit quick because I got class. I got class tonight, and that shit is like 4 hours. So yeah, but yeah, we got an unboxing from StockX. I want to see them too. I waited. I got these shits yesterday, and I was just gonna be petty and open them and then retake them, bitch. But I was like,
I haven't seen them.
I haven't seen them, y'all.
I don't even know what they look like.
But it's gonna be like the second time I did an unboxing, like a legit unboxing. Unboxing. Now it's the third.
What was the first?
It's the third. The first was I played everybody like I had Red October.
Oh, I remember that.
Then the second was some Supreme Camo 5. But they don't even know what it is. I ain't even put it in the title. They done beat the box up already. Shit!
Stupid ass handling.
Fucking StockX.
Don't elbow me in the face.
I did.
You almost
like, what? I like the jersey. It's good. We got an unboxing. Can you help me? God damn, at least go for you big enough boxes. Hold up, I'm gonna do it from the bottom. We having some technical box difficulty and shit. See, this is why I fuck with
That's that.
say, man, I fuck with whoever got the cheaper prices. And at this point, it's actually StockX. Oh, it got cheaper. Damn! Almost died.
Yeah, I saw that.
But yeah, StockX got. Hey, StockX is way cheaper than Go.
You told me you got these.
Besides fucking shipping.
Jesus.
Shipping sucks.
This box sucks.
Bruh, they use the kindergarten now. Look at the box. Look at my roof.
Look at the bottom of the box.
Yo, StockX, what is you doing, baby? Make sure they ain't coming. Damn.
The box all beat up. Look at that shit.
Damn, the shipping and handling was not there. Shit. Good.
That's what I said, the handling.
We got a motherfucking.
Is that on this side too?
Yep. We got an all beige box. Hopefully they ain't see the logo already. But as soon as I show y'all, y'all gonna know what it is.
They probably seen it.
They probably seen it, but we got. We got the human wasps. Real shit though. I ain't know what size to get these Jones in.
What size you get?
A 12. Cause that's what I wear in Adidas. So I don't know. Hopefully they fit. If not, double sock action. And we got a letter and shit.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
All these bitches was dead stuff.
The box wasn't though.
Somebody wore the box more than the goddamn shoe. But
oh, you got. Oh, I saw that.
yeah. If you actually sign up with them, you get a new member discount on your first pair of shoes. You get $20 off shoes, $50 off streetwear, and $100 off watches. And it's only a one-time use. It's because I tried to keep going back and using the same damn coat. They was like, fuck no, boy. Fuck wrong with you.
That's what I tried to do when I got your necklace for our anniversary. I tried to go back and use my new member code for the bracelet, but it wouldn't let me.
Hell no.
It was like, this card has already been used.
But yeah, retail on these bitches was $410. I paid $403. Shipping was $13.95. New member discount was $20. So all together I paid $43.95, and that is nowhere near the price. I don't even know how much these go for.
I was just looking. Can we look it up?
It's cool. It ain't that deep. Damn, my box though. Look at my roof.
And he keep his boxes too.
I keep my box. But I ain't never seen these in person.
Me neither.
I've never seen a pair of these, period. I know these niggas like, show the fucking shoe.
Yeah.
But
come on, boo.
damn, these joints is actually heavy than a bitch.
Oh my god.
Son, for real.
They're huge too.
I'm gonna change the lace. I'm gonna put one yellow, one lellow, and then leave the one purple. But I ain't gonna hold.
Please inspect item. All claims null and void if this tag is removed. So inspect these shoes. Don't remove this green thing right here.
I'm gonna say that.
I actually wanted to get the other color, but he liked this color. So.
No, I like both. These were cheaper. And I feel like you can wear more shit. But yeah, it tell you what part of like
your body parts.
Yeah, it tell you.
It say kidney, liver, diaphragm, pelvis, stomach, bladder.
He explained it to where that's really what affects like that part of the body when you use your feet and stepping and shit.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So yeah, man. What this say? Body, earth, earth body. Earth body. You got the earth body.
What's the
Earth body. Your earth body.
This is heavy.
These joints is heavy. These not. I'm not used to these. Like, you wanna see this one?
I'm sure
it's
the same thing.
But
this one feel heavier.
The materials is excellent.
I love it.
I'm glad I got them dead stock. Cause I'd have been mad if they smell like fungi.
Cigarettes.
Cause niggas be. They don't give a fuck. But yeah, I like them. I got the multicolored ones cause
more options.
Yeah, you can wear them more stuff. The teal ones is next, but
I love them.
y'all ain't gonna know when I get them. These are dope. I'm not gonna post these till I post the video. Cause y'all gonna be like, well, nigga, we know what it is. I'm just gonna fast forward.
Exactly.
But yeah, I think I did. This ain't like the official. Is this your official review? Should I make this official review?
This is an unboxing. So do you want to do an unboxing / review, or do you want to do the review later?
It's a good idea. My first thoughts, and then we'll talk about it after I try them. Yeah. So this is just an unboxing. I ain't gonna get too much into it, but
they are very heavy. Maybe it's because they're at 12.
we gonna explain it. This is a lot of boost though. That might be it. And then this heavy ass sole.
Yeah, I was about to say, look at the bottom.
But yeah, we'll get into all that. But just know these bitches is heavier than NMDs. I actually got my NMDs with me.
You do?
Yeah, hold these. I'll be right back.
Oh, look! Look what you was sitting on.
Oh, we got stickers.
We got a StockX sticker. Goat don't send goat stickers.
Send girl stickers.
They send Jordan Jumpman stickers.
So, in comparison, they both NMDs, right? They look the exact same, kinda. Just one got more of a cage than the other one. These bitches are extremely light. I could do this. Y'all remember the Mario Boing sound for the fucking Yeezys in that top? What was it? 7? 6? Top 6?
What?
For 2017?
Your shoes usually the top 5.
Yeah, top 5, but technically the 6. But
Yeah, with the
these bitches is heavy compared to. we'll get into all that. Fuck that shit. It's just overall thoughts, but yeah. But yeah, man. Thank y'all for watching this opening, unboxing, whatever. The official review should be coming within the same week. I ain't gonna upload it the same damn day, cause y'all be like, I don't need to know what he unboxed it, cause he just told me. But it ain't clickbait, cause I really got the damn shoe.
It's not.
Technically it is, but I'm gonna go ahead, get into the details of this, and then do a review on it. Probably when I get home. Yeah, I'm kind of tired. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this unboxing, overall review. Shout out to
StockX, not Goat.
StockX. Shout out to them. I ain't gonna fake, I might not fuck with Goat no more.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay, you disloyal, fool-ass, bitch-made punk.
Is Goat over? Goat's dead? Thumbnail. Is Goat's dead?
Goats? Are goats dead?
Are Goat's bye? Goat's dead. Bye. But if StockX keep having the lower prices than Goat, Goat finna get X'd out. See what I did there? But yeah, man, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Join the God Squad if you haven't already. What the fuck? Yeah, man. I got my big ass knee in the place right ashy and shit. But yeah, join the God Squad, like I said. Shout out to the art page for Let's Go Masterpieces. Don't follow me anything. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. She was here for more support. She's kind of tired. We both are, but she is more than I am. I actually got some sleep, kinda. But go ahead and get y'all up out of here. Subscribe.
I'm gonna get at y'all up out of here.
I'm gonna get y'all coleslaw. What?
What?
I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. Thank y'all for watching. Follow her page. Is it The Savage Beauty or Savage Beauty? Because they need to know.
Well, I haven't changed it yet.
I've been putting Savage Beauty in there.
Well, that's fine. I haven't changed it yet, so you can put it in there for this, and I'll be changing it.
Link in the description.
Long.
Do that.
Long in the description.
But yeah, man. Love y'all. Thank you for watching. This might be monetized. This is a social experiment again. So, yeah. I don't care about the money. I just want to be used. But yeah, love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, put these heavy ass bricks down. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. These hoes is really fucking heavy. Damn.
It's this.
It's the cage. It's a cage.
And that soul.
Guess that's why they call Earth body.
Body Earth. You read from right to left, left to right. Do you read from left to right or right to left?
Left to right? What the fuck? Boy, we out of here off that.